Hey guys, what's up? Matt McQuinn here. Happy to show you guys a little bit about D7 Lead Finder and some of the more advanced features and ways that you can use it that you probably didn't know about. I'm going to make this video really quick and short so that way you get the value quickly. If you guys have any questions afterwards, drop it in the comments. Looking forward to showing you what we have today. Hey guys, what is up? Today we are going to check out some of the advanced filters and features within D7 Lead Finder that you probably didn't know about. By default, at the lead search menu, you can just use a keyword and a city. That's it. You can go by keyword and city. There's no other selections, no other options that are apparent to you. But you may or may not know about some of these filters in this section here that you're going to want to play around with. So you can group multiple locations, which is useful if you're looking at franchises. You can hide leads without an email. I turned that one on. This is off by default, and most people using this are using this for cold email as far as I've heard. So you definitely want to hide leads without an email. That's going to save you a ton of time in your scrubbing. Then we've got hide without telephone. I don't need that on because I'm not doing cold calling. And same with hide without website URL. For me, like if they don't have a website, I don't want them as a lead, period. Hide without address off. So a couple of unique filters in here that you can control that helps a bit. And then these are all the different data points. Choose what you see. So you can come in here and turn on or off which ones you want to show in D7 Lead Finder. So I turned them all on, but most of these are just on the export only. So you may want to come in and tweak some of these. One of the biggest things that's missing from D7 Lead Finder, though, is that you cannot get title information. So you can't figure out if you're emailing or reaching out to a decision maker. You're just calling or emailing a random person at every single business. It's really confusing to me that they don't have decision maker information, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I have not seen anywhere in their data points that you can figure out who the person is at the company. You just get their name or their email address, which to me is useless. Under bulk search though, let's jump over here. There's some unique things that you can do. Instead of being limited to searching by a single city, you can add multiple cities. You can do bulk cities over here. So choose my own cities, copy paste one per line, or you can choose top cities in these areas. Again, it's kind of helpful. It's a little bit better than what you get on the main menu here, but it does enable you to do a little bit wider of a search. You put your keyword in, the cities that you're looking for, and then you can add a reference name to this lead list if you want. So again, my biggest flaw here is that I can't get titles. So if you want to get a list with titles, I run a competitor product called Coldlytics.com, and you can do that right over here. So let's jump over to Coldlytics, and I'll show you how you can request a lead list very similarly inside of our dashboard. We're going to click on New. We'll start by defining how many leads we're looking for, because we're probably looking for a specific amount, whether it's 100 or 1,000 or 10,000. So we'll put 1,000 in the list for today. We only want one contact in each company that we identify. Then we're going to come into general targeting, and we're going to use seniority level. We're going to set this to owners and founders and directors and executives. So now we've said we're looking for 1,000 companies with the owners and founders, directors, and executives. And if we come down here to the Google Maps input, let's click on this blue text for a second and open it up. This is my favorite way to use Coldlytics. Most of our users use it for this purpose, although there's many different ways you can source data with us. This is the most popular one that you can use. So let's say you're looking for, that was realtors, I believe is what we did that search for. Let's say we're looking for doctors in Chicago. What we're going to do here is get a whole list of doctors on the left-hand side, and we're going to copy this link and bring it over to Coldlytics, and we're going to paste it in. And so now we're looking for the owners, founders, directors, executives of these doctors' offices. And maybe we want, it's often the doctor that owns it. Let's search for the doctor as a job title too. So now we've defined a list of companies in a certain area. So we talked about how you're limited to cities in D7 Lead Finder. Well, if we want to expand this out, all we have to do is come to the additional notes and say, can expand search countrywide, or you can say entire state, or you can just predefine that in your search here. You can come here and go in Illinois, and then we'll know that you're looking for doctors in the entire state of Illinois, and you don't have to put that in your notes. You can just come back in here and paste it in so that your searches ran that way. And what we do is we scrape down all the company information, but then we have a team of human researchers who are experts in finding the email addresses and phone numbers. So unlike over in D7, where this is just scraping everything it can find and it picks random contacts, we have people who are experts in going out to find those email addresses. So we're building you a fresh database that's not scraped. It's scraped on the company side, but the contacts have been researched. So you're getting more valid emails for a unique list that nobody else has likely sourced before but you inside of our platform. So you're getting fresher data. You're not emailing a database that everybody's been pitching all week, including yourself. You're getting a unique list that nobody else has sourced before. We've served over 800 clients through Coldlytics so far, and we'd love to continue to serve more people like that. So if you guys want to join Coldlytics, check it out today. Here's what you can do. You can go to coldlytics.com, and click on sign up right here. You'll enter your information. You can say, I saw this on YouTube, and sign up for a free account. And then once you log in, there will be an option here for a $1 trial for 25 leads. So all you have to do is fill in your information. It doesn't appear here because I have an active account, but put in your information, get 25 leads for $1 and try it out. And then if you like it, you can upgrade to one of our larger plans and continue to source more valid leads for your business. Hope this is useful to you guys. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Appreciate your time today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.